Justice Mike Chibita of the Supreme Court of Uganda officially launched the inaugural edition of the Uganda Registration Services Bureau Case Digest, describing it as a critical tool in the ongoing transformation of Uganda's legal landscape.
For entrepreneurs, scholars, researchers and investors, the digest will provide clear precedents on matters relating to company registration, insolvency and intellectual property rights, which will reduce uncertainty, thereby encouraging investment and economic growth. For academia, legal practitioners, students of law and business, it will enrich legal education, bridging the gap between theory and actual practice.
The digest is expected to make a significant impact on the business community by distilling key rulings and legal principles. This will foster predictability, consistency, and confidence in Uganda's legal frameworks.
It is a very important tool in the administration of justice because it promotes certainty of law. You know, you can research, you can get the law very easily by reading through this digest and see decisions which have been made before and which are of guidance.
With the launch of its first ever case digest, Uganda Registration Services Bureau aims to strengthen legal research, support access to justice, and provide clarity for both the legal fraternity and the business community. Available in soft and hard copies, the digest also sheds light on emerging legal trends and gaps that can guide future judicial decisions.
The digest contains cases heard by us as lawyers and decisions made on the basis of the decision. So the same way you see court judgments. So these are our judgments, in other words, at Uganda Registration Services Bureau. There's a lot of learning from those judgments, but also we're capturing the memory. But we said for the people who want to learn for the future, for the future business owners, or to understand the rights of people who own companies, people who own intellectual property, people who are going through the insolvency and receivership, people who are infringing intellectual property. It is important that these cases are read and understood in terms of the principles of law and setting precedent, but also jurisprudence.
This initiative is a timely intervention, especially as Uganda's justice sector continues to grapple with challenges such as case backlogs, delays in resolving commercial disputes, and inconsistent rulings, all of which continue to undermine public trust. Dennis Igoa for UBC.